Hey, it's Saturday, September 5th. I'm at Charleston Falls with the kids. It's absolutely beautiful here. Check this out. I mean, gorgeous. Speaking of the kids, gotta catch up to them. Hey guys, wait up! My kids are crazy. What can I say? Redbud Valley, Upper Cave Trail. Kids want to go this way. Hey guys, you know I'm gonna ask you, what do you think of this place?
That's really good. I love it. Kind of awesome.
Awesome. This is my daughter Kyla, my daughter Kennedy, my daughter Chloe, my son Cole.
Take a picture of me.
And this is my YouTube. And we are at Charleston Falls, just creating a memory. Daddy Kid Fun Day. All right, well, I'm gonna get off here now. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.